Hello, my name is Jim Hummer from Solver, and today we're going to show how to add another module within BI360. So, example which we have here, if we look at our finance module, we see that we're in Dynamics GP, and we have a multitude of different what's called fact sets. Each one of these is a separate folder, and it also has all the dimensions and measures and so forth associated with that fact set. So if that's too crowded, or if you want to do different types of security with it, what you can do is create your own module and create it into the system. So what we're going to do here is we're going to actually take this actual module, actual details, we're going to make that to a separate module. So if I scroll over it, I can basically see the fact sets that go in conjunction with that, and you can see that I have 3 fact sets with that. And we're going to be looking at that and how we're going to create that into a separate module. So first thing we have to do is we have to go into our administration module. So you have to have rights to go into this, so not everybody can go into it. And we're going to create a customization. Okay, and we're going to put in our password here. And that's going to execute. And we're going to go into our integration management and our integration customization. Now I have multiple different ERPs in here, so you can choose the ERP you want. Most people have 1 or 2, so this won't necessarily be an issue. So here you have your system integration. I'm going to choose Microsoft Dynamics GP. If you have more than one connection, you have to make sure you choose the right connection. The company doesn't matter. The integration will appear in all the different companies. So we have a list of menus, and what we're going to do first is we're going to add our module. So if we go here, this will list all our modules, and we can see that we do have a finance module, and the name is GL. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a module, and we're going to call this GL detail. Okay, and then we're going to go here and edit it and see that it's just called GL detail. So basically you have the ability to call it just the name. We could actually, probably better yet, call this finance detail. And then go from there. So once we've done that, we can go back a step, and then we go into the fact sets. So remember how I did my cursor over and we looked and we saw the different fact sets? So finding these is somewhat the hardest thing. So we have GL history, open, and work. And if we go in here to edit the fact set, you go to module associations, you can see that it is not associated with a module. And the reason why is that we have what's called combined fact sets. So this is GL combined details. What you're looking for is the actual details, and that is the name of the fact set that you see actually in the system. So now if we go to edit fact set module associations, we can see that it is with GL finance. So if we want to associate it with GL detail, we just click the button. We can unclick here, but for purposes of demonstration, I'm just going to click on both. And we click OK, and we click Done. And then if we exit, what we're going to see here is what's called a customization file. So this is a file that is just with your own system that you keep that has your customizations. So if the base metadata updates and wipes out your customizations, you can reapply this file and bring your customizations back. So we're going to go and click. And then if we go and close our composer, and then we're going to open our composer again, and you have to open the composer because it basically caches. And you can see now it says Microsoft Dynamics GP customization integration. So it shows you have your customization. And this is going to open. Just a second here. There it goes. And once you've done that, you can see you have your finance detail module down here. So the one thing you cannot do in the customization tool is create a sort order. So in the more complex base model metadata tools, you can create a sorter. This is designed to look exactly the way it is in GP, and you cannot really do that into the customization tool. You can basically remove some of these modules and move it up, but you're basically stuck to where it's at. So if I click on that, I can see my actual details. It's exactly the same as what I have in my finance module. It's exact same module, exact same fact set rather. It works the same way. The drill downs work the same. It's just the display is different. So that's how you basically create your own modules and how you basically add fact sets. Thank you.